Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome to another video. Today we are gonna talk about, first of all, for those of you who signed up for my clothing brands affiliate program, which is, in case you're unfamiliar, basically you sign up for my program, you register for it, and you can market my clothes, you can market my brand, you can sell whatever you want on my entire website, including this shirt right here. I'm a little light. Okay, there we go. Anyway, you make 20% commission off whatever you want to sell, whether it's a hat, a visor, a 5-panel, a shirt, a hoodie, a sweatshirt, some socks, a backpack. What else do I got? Phone cases. They've got a whole women's collection. All sorts of stuff. Whatever you want to sell, you make 20% off of. And so many of you signed up for my program that I felt the need to kind of lead you guys in the right direction, because people do this, which is called affiliate marketing. People do this full time. People make millions of dollars off of this. So I figured if you guys sign up for my program and you're looking to make some actual money, or maybe even just a few bucks on the side for some easy sit on your couch, sit by the pool, sit on the beach, no real effort type work. Now this is simple. It's not easy, but it's simple. So I figured I'd give you guys a very basic way to kind of lead you in the right direction. You can kind of take what you want from what I say and you can build off of it and really figure out how to make money. You guys can make a lot of money off this, but so many of you signed up. Some of you are just looking to make a few extra bucks. You'll definitely learn how to do that. Some of you want to make a lot of money. You want to make a full-time living off of just selling 20% commission off my high quality brand, my high quality products, because the benefit of this, you don't have to create your own brand. You don't have to do the risk of designing the clothes. You don't have, there's no financial risk for you. Absolutely no risk for you guys. I have to do all the designing. I have to do all of the back end stuff on my store, build the store. I spend so much time designing clothes and products and paying for stuff. You guys don't have to do that. All you guys have to do is sell. So even if you're a YouTuber and you'd like to sell some merch or whatever, sell my clothes to your fans. I don't care. Do that. If you have a YouTube channel and you just don't have the financial resources to really be able to provide merch, hop on my movement, hop on my brand. Sell my stuff to your fans and make some money doing it. Obviously, why would you not? Why would you do it if you weren't making money? So let me lead you guys in the right direction. Okay, so the first and the easiest and quickest, if you're looking, the first and easiest way to really make any sales and get 7-4, and like I said, I'm really doing all the work. All you're doing is just trying to find an audience. You have the product, you have the brand, and you gotta find the audience, and you just have to connect the two. That's all you have to do, and that's what I'm doing on a bigger scale. And I'll talk about kind of more things I'm doing later, but just go on to the Boss Instagram right here. Just boss.industries. I'll put it up on the screen or something. And you can go through, and I have plenty of content for you guys to just screenshot and repost on your own social media, throw it up on your YouTube channel. Right, you can make an ad out of it, and we'll talk about ads later, which is a way to get more traffic to your link, which is your affiliate link. But look at all this high quality free content. You've got, like right here, there's an ad already made for you. That account, this Boss account, is full of ads just like that. And most of you are probably BMX riders, so market the BMX merch. It's just a Just Ride t-shirt. There's a little ad right there. All sorts of stuff. Got a summer collection promotional ad right here. So you can screenshot this and you can use whatever you want. And you can go on my store. You can say, you don't have to screenshot, but you can save pictures of my products on the store. And it'll just look like this. For honestly the quickest, you're not gonna get the most sales, but just to get a few sales right off the bat, screenshot a couple of these ads or products or whatever, post them on your social media, send them to your friends, send them to your family, and surely one of them will be like, okay, I find something on the store, because I have so many products on my store. I found something on here that I can actually buy, and when they buy it, you get paid. So that's probably the easiest, quickest, no money, no work at all. You literally just screenshot and promote. Now, the next thing we're getting into is actually, I was talking one just a second ago, but it's called Instagram influencers. Basically, you go to a page, I'll actually show you what I'm doing right now. You go to a page with a lot of followers, and this page right here, see, look at this page. They have almost 300,000 followers, and they get so many likes, and they post a lot. It's a good, big page. So what I'll do is I'll DM them, and I'll ask, hey, how much do you want if I can run one of my ads, one of my products on your Instagram for 24 hours, for 12 hours? Usually I'll do 12 hours because it's cheaper and you get the most results for that anyway. But then I'll ask them, hey, how much, if I want to post a product on there, how much? And for example, they said basically $40 for them to post it on their Instagram story, post it on their giant Instagram page with the link in bio. So if you think about it, for $40, you can get in front of almost 300,000 people. Now, obviously, there's more to it, and you go in a little bit more in depth, and I don't even know if I'm gonna take this deal, but you know, it's decent. I'll probably talk them down a little bit, just using some negotiating tactics. And what I did is I literally went to my website, which is bossindustries.co, links in the description, by the way, and I'll just scroll through my products, and I'll try to find something. I'll find something called, what's called a niche, a specific audience, a specific target, a topic. For example, that page is in the boat niche, the ocean life kind of niche. It was a boating page. It's just about like being on the water and stuff like that. And I have a design on my website that I made, and what do you know? It's an anchor. It's just a shirt with a cool anchor on it. And it obviously comes in several colors. I think my favorite color is probably the black one. But I have a shirt with a badass anchor on it, and I have an Instagram focus. And I have an Instagram page that is willing to work with me on posting this shirt. I'm gonna make an ad out of this shirt like the ones I showed you before. And I get that posted on their page. People on their page is like, oh, that's cool, because I've seen other ads on that page that have anchor type stuff that do really well. So why not jump on that, get on that, post that ad on their Instagram influencer page and get sales, because my store, the link to this product will be in it. And let me show you how to link the specific product, because if you, for example, if you do an Instagram influencer or you post something, or you post a link in your bio, you're not gonna want just you're not gonna want bossindustries.co. You're gonna want to click on the actual product and then click on the link of that product, not just a link to my store, the link of the product. It's gonna be a lot longer. That's the link you're gonna want, because for example, if I'm on this page and all these people are going through, they see, oh, they're gonna click the link in the bio because they wanna buy this shirt because it's right up their alley, it's a niche. They are going to see that it's just on my homepage, and the likelihood of them dropping off, the conversions are gonna drop. So but if they open it directly to the product, what they wanted to see, the exact same color, everything they wanted to see, is so simple. Just click on the product and copy that link instead of just the homepage. Anyway, that's Instagram for influencers. Obviously, there's a lot more to it, but I'm just, like I said, I'm just trying to go through fast, trying to get the basic idea. And you can also do the same thing on Facebook. But real quick, just in case you're scrolling through my store and you see a product that you think would appeal to a certain niche, a certain target, a certain people, maybe even a certain group of your friends or family, go through my store. I'm actually gonna teach you how to make an ad real quick. So we're just gonna jump into my computer, and as I'm making the ad, I'm gonna show you step by step how simple it is and how to do it directly off of my store. And I'm also gonna talk about how to work with an influencer and the easiest way to get the best results. And by the way, I'm not gonna pay $40 for that ad. I'm definitely gonna bring them lower, but that's still a good deal, $40. In fact, my friend Caden, you guys know him, he's in the vlogs, he found this massive meme page with 1.5 million followers, and he actually found a product on my website that he's gonna promote on that with 1.3 million followers, and they're charging him like $45. And he found another one he's gonna promote that camo shirt on. It's like I'm not really sure. He's doing his own affiliate marketing with my products. He's out doing his own influencer ads, making his own sales. So, but you could literally do whatever you want. So if your budget is $5, maybe run a quick little Instagram ad or a Facebook ad. If your budget is $10, you can either do a small influencer shout out, or you can just run a $10 ad. Because when you go into the Instagram and you have a business account, and you can make, which a business account is super easy to make, by the way, just look into doing that. If you want to run like ads on Instagram, not just influencer shout outs, but ads, you can spend up to $1 to $1 million, whatever you want to spend. You can do that if you have a really, really small budget, but honestly, just go with a smaller influencer page. You can get a page with like 50,000 followers and pay like 10 bucks for it and just get in front of a lot more people. I recommend doing that. Okay, so here's what you're gonna want. You're gonna want canva.com. It's 100% free. Sign up real quick, it's easy. I'm gonna show you guys how to make an ad. So you've got my store open and you've got canva.com open. So what you're gonna wanna do is you wanna go to my store, and you're gonna wanna go to whatever product. So we'll go to, you guys can go to the guys or ladies or whatever you wanna do, but I think my favorite one is the guys tab up here, because they're actually different collections. So we'll go to the guys tab up top. Okay, so let's see. I'm just gonna pick a random product. Some of these products have a transparent background, some have just that white background. I'll also show you, I'll try to pick one with a white background so I can show you how to get that out of there. But let's see, we'll just do one that I think is gonna have a white background. We'll go with the big rose V-neck shirt. Although I think this is gonna have a transparent background. Yeah, that's probably gonna have one. So we'll go back, we'll do, I don't think this one does. So you'll click on the product, let it load for that high definition thing, and we'll save it. See, I've got a folder for all my ads. I've got tons of products that I make ads for. I'll call it just the camo shirt ad. Okay, so it's saved, and I'm gonna go through my files. I'm actually gonna skip this part. Okay, so next, what you do is, I'm not sure where that's saved. I think, yeah, that's saved in ads. So you're gonna go to this website. This is if it has a white background. We're just gonna get rid of that white background. This is what I use to make my thumbnails. This is just a really thing. So you're gonna go open image from your computer, and just open whatever you just downloaded. I accidentally uploaded that into just a random ass folder, which I think it's my ad folder right here. So you're just gonna open that up. See, it's got that white background. Just basically follow this step by step. So you're gonna go over here, unlock the background, go over here to this wand tool, click, and then hit delete, boom. You unlock the background so that way you can edit the background over here. You go over to this wand tool, you get that, and you hit delete. Then you just resave it. It's that easy, it takes that little of time. If I went a little fast, just make sure you rewatch that, and I usually do it in caps, so I know. Make sure you go down to PNG. You can click the format. JPEG is obviously just a picture, but PNG is a transparent background. That's what you're gonna want. It's literally that simple. Save it back into the same folder. Go over to Canva. We'll do Instagram post right there. And I know I'm going a little fast, but this is so simple. It's such an easy way to do this. So we'll just pick a random background. What did I even pick? Camo shirt. So we'll just do hunting. I'm still in all caps. Like I said, this is totally random. I would not copy this because I'm not thinking about this at all. I'm just going with it. So we're gonna pick a random background. They have tons of free backgrounds you can use. Resize. And you guys can get creative, and you don't have to do exactly what I'm doing, because there's lots of people that are way better at it than I am and all sorts of stuff. So we'll do that. We'll go to uploads, and we need to upload an image of this shirt. And what I usually do is I usually put like a filter over this picture just so it's a little easier to see the actual product. So we're gonna go to shapes, get out of shape like this, just put it over it. I'm gonna change it to, I need it to be a lighter color. So then we'll go over here to transparency and literally just make the picture a little lighter. You just put that thing and you make it the transparency, so little lighter like that, just so it's easier to see this picture. Okay, that's uploading. We try to get that on. You can see some other products that I've made ads for. Come on. Okay, I don't want to wait for it. We'll just go ahead and use this. So then you just pop up that picture on here and get some words, make it look pretty. Ah, damn it, flip that upside down. Go up here. I'm running through this really quick. We'll do bird boss, boss shirt. Just like that. You guys have to play around with it. When you're on your own, you're not gonna be able to do it quite this fast, but I've been doing this for a while, so. Change the font like that. Definitely gonna wanna change the color. We'll just put it as red. But you're gonna wanna use one of my promotions. Like, for example, the easiest one to use is I have in my bio on the Boss Industries page, it's 15% off your entire order. Just use code LIFESTYLE. So here, we'll actually go ahead and do that. We'll do, this is something you guys can do because this isn't a promotion that goes away. But if you guys keep up to date on the Instagram profile of Boss, you'll know every single time there's a promo that you could use to help market your products that you're selling off my store. So 15% off, use code. Obviously I'm gonna put more thought into it when I'm actually doing it, but I'm just getting you guys the gist. Because I know you guys aren't used to seeing this stuff, but I'm just trying to help you affiliates get closer to making a lot more money. Alright, so then we'll go back to that same kind of background type thing that we did before, just so we can make a background for this. Go up here. You'll want to size it better, make it look prettier. Exact same process we did to just lighten it up. Although we'll want to make that behind that for sure. We'll make this one that, bring down the transparency. Just so it's stands out a little bit more. And this is the worst thing I've ever done. Do not do what I'm doing right now. It looks so bad. But like I said, I'm just trying to get you guys used to the process. 15% off, use code lifestyle, boom, picture, show this to a influencer, and boom, you've got your ad. You just download it obviously right here. At this point, since it's a picture, you're not going for that transparent background, you can do whatever you want. I always just do JPEG, it's a smaller file. Do that, and that's how you make an ad. That's how you work with influencers. Oh yeah, to work with influencers, basically, all you gotta do is just DM them. That's how these people make money. With these big pages, they just sell shout-outs. So DM them and put your first word of the DM as business or money or something like that, because whenever they're going through the DMs, they're only gonna see the ones that have like the first few words. So if it's the first few words, it's gonna make them money, they're gonna click on it and they're gonna read it. So if you have a problem getting them to reply, they take a few days, like the one that I just worked with, they take a few days. And just message a bunch at a time, compare a bunch of different rates, negotiate a bunch of different people, try a bunch of different niches, all that sort of stuff. But that is how you make an ad, how you promote my brand using things I've already built that you don't even have to think about. Things that I've done for you guys. This is just a program to help you guys make money, because I know how hard it is to really be younger and in high school, or even older in a job that you don't like, and you have to, it's harder to make money offside and kind of get out of that and make money to where you can live full time off of it and really do what you want to do and really be happy. But this is a really good skill for you guys to learn. You can kind of practice with my brand. You can branch off and do your own stuff. You can do, you don't even have to just do mine. You can either do a bunch of my products and make a bunch of money off my brand, or you can do some of my brand, some of Amazon's thing. You can do some clickbait, all sorts of stuff. So that is how you do this, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope this kind of pushed you guys in the right direction so you can make some sales with my affiliate program. Really take advantage of this, because I'm giving you guys a lot. I'm giving you guys 20% commission, which is pretty good, especially since it's a brand, a clothing brand, and I've already built it. I've already taken the financial risk and all that stuff. All you guys got to do is promote and have fun with it. And this is really fun. This is some fun stuff, entrepreneur stuff. So hope you guys enjoyed. See you in the next video.
Be excused, 'cause I gave this shit my all. Ain't got nothing left to lose.